What's up, y'all? It's D bringing you guys another quick update video. So we just got the MSR. They're actually still taking apart the engine right now, so we can actually get some live footage of them taking it apart. Both heads are off, and they're working on the bottom end right now. It's pretty much all apart, so let's go ahead and get in there and check it out.
Look, his got 80,000 miles, and the cylinders still look good.
Okay.
I just don't know how much better this motor is compared to yours.
The only good thing of mine, that's what I liked about it, was an old man had it.
900 max.
Yeah.
But the great thing about it is, they're you know why I didn't come on the stage 2? Because the stage 2s, even the pure, I had done pure before, and because they're the shaft will go out of balance and blow the turbo. And they run like shit. Can't get it out. Cause when I got my M8 from Mo, he had pure stage 2s on it, and the car ran like shit. I got beat by GT3. And the reason he replaced it was because he blew the stock turbos through tuning. Remember I was telling you about turbos going on those F90s?
Yep.
Tell me when you first switched. So you gears, right?
All on cylinder 5.
Yeah. These guys that are working on those things, do they know what they're doing? Diagnosing them?
It's across the country, man. They're trying to put motors in them. You know they don't fix nothing.
I mean, I can tell you can fix the head. Our machine.
It's not even there.
They're just pretending.
They just give them the keys and tell them here, go find it.
That's the craziest thing, man.
Wanted to get some,
Get some in-action footage.
and back. I don't know. I think so. Because that's what you're talking about.
No.
I'm going to call and tell him too. That's my mechanic. And you go, no, just the back. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Because I just want to see it. I just want to see it. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Look. Same thing we looked last time. Look good.
It actually sounds a little mean now. I think he forgot how to drive his car. Hey, these things ain't light. Hurry up. Because I know as soon as I sit it down, he's going to move. They do.
Happy with the stance.
Looks good.